What's 256 Fez about? It's a challenge in which you try to create a 3D model with 256 polygons or less and a 256 times 256 pixel texture. And then you simply post the image under the hashtag with the model, a wireframe version to show off the geometry and the texture. There is no deadline, and its intention is to have fun and grow as an artist. The 256 Face Challenge is a hashtag originating from the Japanese 3D artist Twittersphere. Otakus in Japan pronounce 256 as Nigoro, so it's Nigoro Face for you weeps out there. The hashtag found its way around the globe on nearly every social media site. It's organized and created by Zen on Twitter at PhilZenVR. Zen is an amazing, skillful artist with an advanced digital anime style in 2D and 3D. Zen works with Unity and Blender and is known for creating VTube avatars and is a VTuber herself. Personally, I think it's one of the most important trends for Lowpoly artists like us, and it goes hand in hand with the PS1 style, and you will definitely benefit from it in one way or another. So let's give it a try. check out the hashtag, and then thank you for watching, and also a big thank you to my Patreons: Davey, I Know Charlie, VZX, Toady McToadfaced, Tomfoolery, Copcot, and Birdhouse. Hope you liked this new fast, tiny format thing. If you have any questions, if you want to know something, I don't know, let me know in the comments below. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and see you in the next one.